Hi there, it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back with another get ready with me tester video. I am going out for dinner tonight, but it's in a few hours, so I thought I would probably just like do my makeup. Today I wanted to try the Dasique. This is the eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade 9 colors, blooming your own beauty, like this. The eyeshadow, it's super cute. I brought this in Japan and I thought I would just like try it out with you guys, but the colors are so gorgeous. It's got a little film on the top and looks like that. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can get a better look of my eyeshadow. I have no idea what kind of look I want to go for, but I want to try to use as many shades as I can, but I think I'm just gonna start with like this light brown, like buffery shade, and kind of use that to outline my crease. It's like a really light brown. I think I'm gonna go in with like a darker, like more dense brush. I might just like go in a little bit with this color. I want to use as many of the colors as I can, but I don't want my eye look to look too messy. So I'm just going to go in with that, kind of carve out. It's pretty pigmented, so I'm going to just like buff that out. Just to kind of blend those harsh lines a little bit. I might add a little bit of this dark pink if I'm going to go for like the pinky palette. Just to kind of like tie in all the pink shades. This palette is actually like really pigmented, and I feel like all the colors are so wearable. I love when like you could create a lot of different eye looks with each shade and color. I might take a little bit of that red and buff it into my under eye as well, just to balance out the color. That is so pigmented. I like it. I like it a lot. But I think I'm going to take this really dark brown shade and like a more dense brush. I might line my eyes slightly with this brown. And add a little bit of this to my under eye as well, just to balance out the colour. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, kind of lining my eyes and focusing the colour more near the end of my eye. I always like to create a lot of depth near the end of my eyes just to make them look like deeper. I just think that it suits me a little bit more. Now for the fun part, I'm just gonna go crazy with the glitter. That's what I liked the most about this palette. But I think I'm gonna take this pink shade. I don't know how to do it without like digging my nail into the other shades. How do I do this? Because I always use my finger when I put in glitter. Ah! Let me just use a brush. Using a brush for glitter is like the true test of how pigmented the glitter is, because it always looks so much nicer when you apply it with your fingers. But let me grab some of this. That is so glittery. And I'm going to slowly pat this like all over my eye, to be honest. Ooh, that pink is so pretty. Are you kidding me? Love it. I love it so much. Glitter just makes everything look better. Can you see how gorgeous that looks? But oh my freaking gosh, that is so beautiful. I love it. My brushes are all like dirty. Let me use the cream glitter on the other eye and see if it like looks different, because I actually feel like I can kind of see the pink in this eye. But I feel like glitter, the color in glitter is always pretty sheer. I normally just like glitter for the glitter, but I want to see if it actually looks different. Oh my god, it looks different. Can you see that? This actually looks pink, and this actually looks like creamy gold. I feel like the cream glitter looks like it has gold flecks in it, and then the pink glitter looks like it has silver flecks in it. Oh my god, that is so freaking gorgeous. Stop it right now. And I'm applying with my brush and it's so glittery. Can you see? I honestly don't know how well the camera is going to pick it up, but I really hope that it picks it up well. But you can actually clearly see that the cream glitter is like a beigey goldy cream, and the pink is like a pinky silvery holographic-y glitter. It's so nice. Now I have two different glitter eye looks, which is a bit random because I am actually going out later. It's a bit weird, but it's fine. That is so pretty. I love that. And I'm gonna apply the last glittery shade because you know I have to try all glitters. So I'm gonna apply the last glitter on my under eye, like my inner waterline. I always like to add glitter like over here. And I normally use a liquid glitter, but I want to see if this glitter actually like works as well, because I feel like liquid glitters normally show more. But I want to test this color out. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm obsessed with all this glitter. It's actually so nice. Okay, you ready? Let me get close. It's pretty. I like it. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. I'm gonna apply this to my waterline and I feel like it's gonna look so pretty. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? I thought it would be like a little bit more silvery, but it kind of looks like gold, which I like because I actually wear a lot more gold than I wear silver. I love that color in the waterline. I think it's really pretty. I think it definitely matches the beige color a lot more than it matches the pink. I thought it would have matched the pink because they look like they're both kind of like pinky tones, but it actually looks nicer, I reckon, with the beige color. It actually does look good with the pink. Not gonna lie, it looks good with both, but I think I like it slightly better with the champagne. Ooh. Ooh, I'm actually really liking both eyes. But I think because I added the red eyeshadow to both eyes, I think I'm gonna go with a pinky eye look today. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go with the pink eyeshadow just because the red doesn't look that good with the beige color right now. So I'm gonna add a bit of the pink to this eye just to even them out because I am going out later. But goddamn, these glitter shades are so beautiful. I'm obsessed. This is why I always buy glitter shadows when I like go overseas, because I swear they just do glitter so well. So freaking well, and I'm definitely a glitter girly. Oh my gosh. I think I went a bit crazy with the glitter. I should buff that out. Oh my god. I don't even know what happened, but I think I dug my nail into that shadow. I'm so upset. It was so beautiful. What am I gonna do? I can't like flatten out with my finger because I'm just gonna poke a different shadow. Do you think that looks like... Do you think that looks like there's been no damage? Oh my god, I'm so upset. Ooh. Since it's already my brush, should I like put it on my eyes? There's a lot of fallout, but I don't know if there's just like a lot of fallout because I literally dug my nail into that shadow. But that one had a lot of fallout. Let me just like apply this like here. Just deepen the depth of my eyes. This eye looks like it needs some deepening. I feel like my eyeshadow might look a bit messy right now because I did just put like a whole bunch of glitter onto this eye. But you know what? It's fine. It's completely fine. Because eyeliner will fix it. Guess I'm going with a relatively straight wing today. So I just added a little bit of liner, mascara, and some falsies. While my falsies kind of dry a little bit, I'm going to just finish the rest of my face. So I'm just going to contour. I'm using the Hourglass Diffused Bronze Light. To take a little bit of this for cheekbones. I'm just gonna add a little bit of blush, and I'm using the Peripera Pure Beam blush. I broke it. It's like one of my favorites. It's in the shade AIDOI. I'm loving this glitter though. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna go in with this Dior Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm. This one's in the shade 011 and it is glittery, so I thought it would be perfect to balance out the glitter in my eyes. I always feel like a little Barbie doll when I apply this lipstick. I just think it's so pretty. I'm just gonna keep going with the Dior and add a little bit of this Lip Maximizer Hyaluronic Lip Plumper because I want some cute plump lips, and this also has glitter in it, so I think it's just perfect. I want big, plump, juicy, glittery lips. And then I'm just gonna add some highlighter. I always do this last because I always like to add a little bit to my... I didn't bring a brush, so I'm just gonna go in with my blush brush and pray for the best. I always like to add a little bit on my cheeks, my nose bridge, a tiny bit on my cupid's bow, which is why I always apply it last. This brush is a little bit too big for it to go on my cupid's bow, but it's fine. It's cute, I like it. And that is all for my makeup look. Thank you for getting ready with me. Final thoughts on the eyeshadow palette. I actually really like this. I'm so sad. I'm still really sad that I freaking dug my nail into that. But I really like this Daisque eyeshadow palette. I reckon the glitter is so freaking gorgeous. If you're a glittery girl, honestly just buy it for the glitter. But even like all the shades go together so well, and I think it's like the perfect every single day makeup palette. Like, these types of palettes are my favorite because I will literally just use this. Like, if I travel, all I really need is this because I don't really use big palettes. That's what I realized. I don't really use big palettes anymore because there's too much variety and it kind of stresses me out, and I never know what kind of look I do, so I always just gravitate towards like these types of palettes because it pretty much like tells you what look to do. Like, just use this and this, or this and this and this. Like, it's so easy, you know. But yeah, I really like it. I think it's really wearable, and I definitely will be using it again, even if it's like literally just for the glitter, because I'm obsessed. I like all three shades. I like all three shades of the glitter, but I think my favorite would probably have to be... It's so hard. I feel like they're like different glitters for different occasions. I feel like you could put this one on top of everything and it would look super nice. Yeah, I feel like you could put this one on top of everything and it would look nice, so I might go with that one. But these two were also really pretty. I really like the pink sheen on this one, but I feel like I would wear that one more. Like, you know, I don't know. It's too hard to pick, but I do really like the palette, and thank you for testing it with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!